In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on and off Copilot on your Microsoft Edge browser for mobile. Simple and easy. So to do that, let's tap on our hamburger menu at the bottom right corner of our screen. So we tap on that there, and then we move to our settings. So we tap on settings here to move to settings. Good. And on this section, you can see Copilot and AI. Tap on that, and you can see Copilot in preview. So you turn it on like this. Get started. Good, to turn it on. And if you want to turn it off, you just come here, leave preview. So just like Google has its AI mode, when you search something, the Copilot will already kind of generate what you want for you from the pages. Yeah, that have been indexed, something like that. So you just turn it on and off if you want to. Yeah. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a lot of tutorials on Microsoft Edge browser for mobile. You can check that out. Peace.